I'm just looking.
Just looking. Ooh, okay. Wow, double cola. Are you a cracker?
But everywhere we go, it starts to drop in degrees.
All right, so we are in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and we're boondocking for the night. No, it's not at a Love's, it's not at a Walmart. It is at a Cracker Barrel. So, three of the most popular places are Cracker Barrel, Walmart, and Bass Pro Shops. Walmart probably being the most popular, Cracker Barrel probably being second. But as we've said before, and we learned while doing this research of this full-time RV life and traveling, that usually when they allow you to park in their parking lot for free, you call ahead, because sometimes city code doesn't allow this. And you call and say, hey, am I allowed to park my RV during the night in your parking lot? Usually they put you out on the edge. This one, interestingly enough, has some extended parking space lines. You see that? It almost looks double, but there's no line in the middle to divide between two cars, like that one down there does have. So almost like this is for RV parking. They usually have you park on the edge. And it's nice to patronize those stores because they're allowing you to park in their parking lot. So we're gonna do some Cracker Barrel tonight for dinner. And like some old podunk hicks, probably sit on the chairs out on the porch and chew on a piece of straw like some country folk.
You might be a redneck.
I'm just joking. Hopefully I do offend country people. I say that in jest. Okay, you think that's good? So we put out the slide and we're just trying to debate.
I don't think it's going to be a rocking party of people.
And we're on the edge here, so it's not like it's the main
I've
foot.
already got a bunch of people and they're all parked over there.
And you got the Opus running for the fan.
I only have the fan on, so what I didn't do is I didn't start up the power supply. If I don't start up the power supply, then
The Starlink.
Starlink doesn't start up.
What else is running off that power supply though? Wasn't there other
some
stuff?
USB stuff.
Okay, for
some
our
other
TV
plugs.
tonight, we'll have to run that tonight.
Yeah, like we're gonna turn it on when we get in there, but we don't need it while we're having
Okay.
dinner.
I put in the axle anchors. The parking lot slopes, so we had to put some Legos on the bottom. That's kind of a loose term that some people call the square because they look like Legos. This is because they're stackable. Each one's about an inch. This was a couple of inches off, so had to roll the tires up on that to lift up the passenger side because this these parking spaces right here, it slopes down. We were at that one right there, this outer one, and it really sloped there. So we moved it up to this side. And of course we used some right here to raise up the front end because the idea is you want your trailer about as level front to back as can be and level left to right as can be. And we have a meter on the inside of the trailer, and it's like a gyroscope, a digital gyroscope or something. And we use an app and we can tap into it. It lets us know the how level the front and back are and how level the left and right are. And then of course I use these right here in between the tires And what it does is when I turn the knob at the top, it pulls two things closer together, which pushes up against the tires, which keeps the tires from shifting. All right, so we're doing boondocking at Cracker Barrel.
And we're trying to ignore the fact that there's an Extreme D theater right there.
XD Theater. What movie did we just go see? It was on our anniversary. Project Hail Mary in the Dallas area.
I'm not an astronaut. I'm not an astronaut. I'm not an astronaut.
If you don't go, you die.
At a Extreme HD. So we're patronizing Cracker Barrel. Are you a cracker, babe? I think she's a cracker.
Whoa, those are not cheap chairs.
No, but we can come out here and sit out here afterwards. Probably play some checkers so I can beat you. You're gonna let me beat you, right? You think you can beat me? So this might be where I have to take the pocketbook from Heather.
I'm just looking.
Just looking.
You and me, baby. You've got the keys to my heart.
Just looking, just looking. Ooh, okay. Practical patronization. It's practical.
How many hands are you gonna use?
And it's patronizing.
Duh.
I like it. I can just take the barrel off and people can call me a cracker. They don't have a Cracker Barrel shirt. Oh, they do. These are all Cracker Barrel shirts. Oh, not that
It's
one.
way too large.
So, there we go.
Country fried.
There, how's that? Do I look like a hick cracker? Well, see, this is practical stuff. This isn't trinkets and gadgets. I'll wear a shirt and I'll wear a hat.
I might not get anything because I mean I'll end up sharing those with you.
Huh? I don't think so.
I heard that.
I don't think so. Okay, so get something, babe. That way I don't feel guilty.
Ah.
I don't want to feel guilty. So Cracker Barrel sells soda, cheer wine, Big Red. Oh, it's all beer, and I was thinking, what? But it's butterscotch beer for all ages, non-alcoholic. Wow, double cola. So, are you a cracker? You're a cracker.
I'm just wearing a Cracker Barrel.
What did you
hat.
order?
The Louisiana shrimp skillet.
I got the ham. It's back with mashed potatoes and whole kernel corn, and they gave us some biscuits. And what is that?
That's dumplings.
And why did we get biscuits?
I think that's just part of the whole thing.
Oh,
Which I think we're gonna have to just take home because I can't see.
And a lemonade and
Apple
what'd you
juice.
get? Apple juice. We're sitting outside Cracker Barrel. We just ate.
South Dakota,
How's your food?
it's actually warm right now. We're appreciating the fact that it's actually warm today. But everywhere we go, it starts to drop in degrees.
We did drive through Pacific Junction, Iowa, and here in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Somewhere in the middle, we actually saw snow on the ground. It was cold, and it must have been like a little patch. But we just got finished, so we're crackerdocking.
And see if we can rock off some of this food we can't miss for breakfast.
Yeah, and we got some nice cinnamon buns.
For breakfast.
Yeah.
For breakfast.
And the beauty about doing the Cracker Barrel thing is our travel trailer right there. But that's where we walk to, right there. And we just, of course, there's no full hookups or sewer dumps or anything. They're not charging you to stay here.
But we made sure to take care of all that stuff when we left Love's this morning. Yeah, so we have a full, water's pretty full. The generator is full of gas.
We dumped our black tank.
Yep.
Even did a back flush.
Yep.
Our generator is running right now, so that I got it kind of like tucked under the pickup truck, so that we can run the air conditioner and get it.
And the thing is, we only need to run it because the sun right now is going down and it's shining on the side and it's really warming it up. It won't be for too long, and then we'll be able to turn it off. We won't need it for the night. We'll just open windows.
All right. So Heather wants this bathroom shelf put up. So now I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to do this. Can I put it? I mean, is that a good place? I can put it like this. And here it is. Thursday morning, the 16th, 7:50 a.m. We are waking up and getting ready to probably grab some breakfast at Cracker Barrel and hit the road. Looks like we got somebody else that came in after us. Cracker Barrel for the win.